How to get black skin color in Roblox Mobile. Let's get started. Launch any of the browser. Now over here you will find the search box, type in roblox.com and search for it. Now click on the option of continue in browser. In order to get black skin for your Roblox, you will need to log into your Roblox account in the web version. So go ahead and type in your Roblox account's credentials, username and password. After you are done, click on login. Now click on continue in browser. With that, you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, at the top left, you will find this option, AA. Just click on this text. Click on the option of request desktop website. Now, go ahead and click on three bars. Click on the option of avatar. Now scroll to the right, you're going to find different options over here. Click on the option of hair and body. Now navigate to the option of skin tone. Click on it. Now over here, you're going to find all the colors. Clicking on this option of advanced, you will get the black color. So you can see that. Now go ahead and click on the black color and then click on done. With that, your avatar has been changed to the black. So this way you can easily get black skin color in Roblox Mobile. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.